This is Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano, and I'm Danny Milano. And today, we're cooking spaghetti with zucchini and onions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you click that bell notification. Now, with no further ado, let's get this dish started. Hey, go Bridgeside. So this is what you're gonna need. Some zucchini, some white onion, some spaghetti, salt, Parmesan cheese, fresh pepper, 1 egg, and some olive oil. Let's grab our olive oil, throw that into the pan. The Italians love olive oil. Then we're gonna cut our zucchini.
Hey Dan, I have a question for you.
What's that, Dave?
What the heck did you do to the zucchini? Why does it look like that for?
Well, I'm glad you asked. This is actually, it's called a hydro tiger shark zucchini. This is a very rare zucchini. It's actually imported from Thailand and it only grows 1 month out of the year. So you should be very honored, Dave. And I'm completely joking with you. It's a regular zucchini. I took a little bit of the skin off, and also what I did, Dave, there were a couple imperfections to the zucchini, so I didn't want you to see a couple of brown spots here and there, so I just peeled it off. And remember, just because there was a couple brown spots on the zucchini doesn't mean the zucchini's bad. You never judge a book by its cover, and that goes for the vegetables too.
Do you cut them into big pieces? Do you?
Oh, I'm slicing them a little bit thin. You can cut them as, you want to cut them thick, you can cut them thick. If you want, you can even chop up the zucchini. It's up to you. I'm gonna leave it like this. I think this is always better for the presentation. My pasta water is boiling. I'm gonna grab my spaghetti and we're gonna throw it right in. The olive oil's hot, so we're gonna throw our zucchini in. Let this cook. So I'm gonna add some salt to my pasta water and a little salt to the zucchini as well. Mix that around a little bit. We're gonna grab our white onions and we'll throw them right in as well. So we're gonna let these cook together for, I'd say, about 8 to 10 minutes, which is perfect because our pasta takes about 10 minutes to cook as well.
If you were only able to capture the smell on the camera, then it would be unbelievable.
I gotta admit, the aroma is beautiful in here. We're gonna give this a little flip. You can see the zucchini's actually starting to brown. Beautiful, love that color. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna grab this egg. We're only gonna use the egg yolk. And we're gonna beat the egg yolk. And we're just gonna leave it right here and you'll see why later on. The zucchini and the onions are done. We're gonna shut the flame. The spaghetti is done, Dave. All right,
Spaghetti is ready.
So before we strain the pasta, I wanna take a little bit of the pasta water out.
About how much water do you use?
I'm gonna take half a cup, but we're not gonna use half a cup, just to be on the safe side. And let's strain our pasta. It's like an Italian spa over here, an Italian steam room. I'm gonna add a little olive oil to the pasta, and we're gonna grab our zucchini and our onions, and we're gonna throw that right into the pot. Let's move this over here. I'm gonna grab our Parmesan cheese, and I'm gonna throw that right in. Fresh pepper. And then we're gonna get our pasta water. And I'm just gonna add this in just so that it doesn't dry up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this flame back on for just a minute while we mix it all together. So I was just advised by Mr. Bridgeside that this does come off. I just figured it out. All you gotta do is a little twist. All right, but now it doesn't want to play around with me.
To the right,
There we go. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut this off, and this is very important. You're gonna add the egg in right away while it's hot. Okay? But you gotta mix. You gotta mix it up, and you gotta mix it up quick. And what this does, it kind of gives it a creamy texture, okay? It's almost like what they do in the carbonara sauce, just to get a nice creamy texture. Oh my God, Dave, this looks beautiful.
Fill it up, fill it up.
Don't be shy, don't be shy. And there you have it. Spaghetti with zucchini and onions. And now we're gonna feed Mr. Casanova, who's been partially patient today, but it's well deserved.
Thank you very much, Danny.
Buon appetito, here's your cheese. Oh, I know that's hot.
It's not hot, bro. It's delicious. I like the creaminess of the eggs. The zucchini is delicious, it's fresh. Love the onions, it's a great mixture. Zucchinis, you know what zucchinis are? They're healthy.
Nice.
This is a healthy dish right here.
Nothing better than a big zucchini, Dave.
Hey Dan, can I get a little more cheese?
Dave, you had enough cheese. You enjoyed the dish, all right? I hope you guys enjoyed the dish. If you like it, leave us a comment, show us some photos, but please don't ruin my recipe, okay? You can add a little bit of cheese, but not like this animal. Go Bridgeside. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I personally appreciate it. Bridgeside appreciates it, but make sure you tune in next time because we're making steak pizzaiola.